Crude oil yet again traded bearish for the day, hitting the lows at 75, 75.2, while natural gas beautifully again taking the support from 3.45, now trying to bounce back, and it is now trading above 3.5. What to expect today from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels for crude oil and natural gas. So just subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. See, if you look at the formation in crude oil, as we discussed earlier, that it is forming a nice, beautiful line here, and thus as long as now 76.677 zone is not taken, you have to be careful. And then, in fact, on the upside till 78, you should not be treating this as bullish. What has happened precisely hitting the zone? We have seen it reversing. Now, if you also notice the movement drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, so it can possibly starts to retrace, and if you see it retracing and now trading above 77 and 78 zone, that is where you can say now oil is reversed. Can it bounce back from here? There is a possibility to it, as it has come down towards the stronger support zone. The stochastic here is oversold, MACD is bearish, and RSI is oversold. So yes, on the smaller time frames, the crude is getting into an oversold zone. It can possibly reverse from. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See the drop, retracement, and if you see the drop, then retracement, the drop here, see it is trading in this channel here, and now you can see that it is potentially trying to recover, and that is why I say till 77 we cannot confirm that it is turning bullish. Let it stay beyond 77, and that too beyond 78, in order to confirm a reversal. Right now I do not expect it to break beyond 78 today at least. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI oversold. Things are definitely staying oversold here. It can potentially stay here for a while before breaking out on the upside. Notice this, after the drop, this is, I will say, retracement. Though it has achieved lower lows, but I can say the potential of bounce back and recovery is strong. Also notice this is not a good sign for the bulls here. The 20 and 50 period moving average on the 3 hour charts crossing over here, looking downwards, now making 77 and 78 as the most critical zone on the upside to break past by. Stochastic coming to oversold zone, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. On the 4, the observation is similar here on the 4 hour charts. Here you can see increasing bearishness is seen, but I can also see it respecting this channel. So either it has to come out of this channel, and yes, very important, it has to trade below 75 and 74.5 zone now, which should be a sign of reversal, which should be a sign of further bearishness here. The stochastic back to oversold zone, the MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and the RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the day now. Before we look into daily charts, see on the daily charts, one thing I would like to share here is, look, the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period, and that is what we had discussed, that yes, there is a potential of prices moving towards 20 period. It has converged towards 20 period, and now you can see a very good support is seen here. So now, before we look into further details and I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now notice what it has done. Yes, it has taken the support from the 20 period. Now it is very, very critical for oil to break below 75. That is the only level below which you can say that it has turned bearish. And then what can you expect? You can expect it to move towards 74.5 levels, the next support, and 74, 73.8 the next. Right now a support is seen here, and yes, on the upside now, where you should buy? First of all, notice this, that till here, still 72, the moving average is crossing over here. This should also be the next stronger support zone. The stochastic on the daily charts has hit the bottom here. Look at the MACD. This is only a worry point, because see, this is just crossed over, and this is coming off from the highs here. Rise, retracement, rise here. It could potentially retrace. Let's watch out if it starts to retrace from the current levels. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. So consider, I will recommend you to buy. See, on the upside now, the buying is a bit riskier. As long as the price stays beyond 70, below 77, 72 zone, it should not be treated bullish. So whatever you are capturing on the upside is just a retracement, and yes, you can buy at 75.65 levels, expect 75.85, 76 as the first target zone, and then you can expect it to move towards 76.4, 76.5. If this is also taken, then the ultimate one is 77. Beyond 77 is where the bulls are waiting. You can look forward to 77.3, 77.8, and 78. If it breaks 78 at any point of time for any reason, though the charts are not supportive of this, but yes, these are markets. If it stays above 78, just this time close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 80 for sure. Whenever it happens, if today, tomorrow, whenever. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 75 levels, expected to move towards 74.5 and 73.8. Once it trades below 73.8, that is the point of time the bears will be taking over. You can expect 73, 72.6, and 72 levels as the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas on the hourly charts. Rise, retracement, rise again, and thus it makes and strengthens this zone at 3.45. It should not break 3.45 now any point of time. Now also see forming double bottom. Now it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. So it is very important for the prices to trade above 3.55 levels. That will confirm the further rise, that it might move towards 3.58, 3.6 zone, and then filling the gap. That is the point of time you can say now net gas is reverse, and you can just stay bullish for 3.7, 3.74, and 3.8 levels. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD after the drop here trying to bounce back, though the price has hardly moved, but yes, it is still looking upwards. Likewise with the RSI coming out of the oversold, now looking upwards. On the 2 similar observation is here on the 2 hour charts. Rise, retracement, rising again. Wait for it to stay above 3.55. As you can see, a little resistance is seen from the 20 period moving average, while on the downside 3.4 at 3.5 is the strongest support which it needs to break. Chances are high that we may see a movement towards 3.5 at 3.6 zone. Let it stay, let it show some signs, and then you can buy. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD after hitting the lows that just crossed over, trading with moderate divergence, is staying bullish here. The RSI is rising, which is a good sign here for the bulls. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Lower highs, lower lows. Moving averages crossing over here. Signs of bearishness here. Wait for it to cross over again on the upside beyond 77 and 78 is where you can say now the bulls are back here. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI is already at bottom. On the 4 hour charts, and likewise on the 4 hour charts, notice one important point. See, it is showing swings and it is showing higher lows. So now it appears that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. It appears that 3.45 is going to be one critical level which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. I think a very good support is going to be seen here, and thus possibility exists that we may see a recovery. Though the moving averages have crossed over here, these are trading with divergence, but this also increases the possibility of a move towards 3.6. So there is a strong possibility that it can try to fill the gap here. Let's see if it does so. The stochastic rising here, MACD has seen strong bearishness. I will wait for a crossover here, which will confirm the reversal. The RSI is running. Coming to the daily charts, you can see slight increasing body size, and see it is getting a bit of resistance here from the 20 period and the median here, and thus it is very crucial for net gas to trade beyond 3.55, and then we can expect 3.5 at 3.6, and that can also confirm the possibility of a reversal from these levels. So yes, every time it retraces, it always follows with a good bounce back. Right now the momentum is very slow, and thus you have to wait patiently for it to take a direction. 3.55, 3.6 is the only zone beyond which it is going to turn bearish, bullish. Stochastic oversold here. See the crossover in the MACD, not a good sign for the bulls, but it is right now looking downwards. It is trading bearish. The RSI is running flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and now before I provide you the levels of trade, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, I'll recommend you to buy here at 3.53 levels. Expect 3.55 at the first, and very strong resistance here. Beyond 3.55, 3.58, 3.6 is going to be the next target. And if it at any point of time, if you see net gets staying above 3.6, stay bullish. Chances are very high that we may see 3.7 and 3.8 as the next target, beyond which if it stays above 3.8 this week, we can look forward to $4. The momentum is not very much supportive of this as of now. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.48 levels, expected to move towards 3.45. Now, only and only if you see natural gas breaking below 3.45, you can say now the bears are back, and then you can expect it to move towards 3.4, 3.36, and 3.3 levels, chances of which appears to be less. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates.